at us, we're out of sorts. Thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal corpse, making that thing swing back and forth.
This episode of HTM Tech is brought to you by Rogue Energy. Rogue Energy offers a wide range of products including energy drinks and dietary supplements containing 0 sugar, 0 to 5 calories, B vitamins, gluten-free, soy-free, and 100% vegan. Rogue Energy products are a great alternative to those corner store energy drinks that are loaded with sugar and cause you to crash soon after. Head over to rogueenergy.com where viewers of HTM Tech can get 10% off any order placed. Not just your first order, but any time you order. Just use offer code HTM Tech at the checkout to get your discount on one of the hottest energy drink brands on the market. Hey, don't take our word for it. Try it for yourself today.
Hey guys, Joe the Tech Guy back here with another episode this week. For those of you new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you get notified every time I put out new content for you guys. For those of you coming back to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, today, as you can see, we just came back from the Apple Store, so I got a little unboxing here for you guys. We have a new Magic Keyboard, and in the event, we have the new M2 11-inch iPad Air, which is really cool with this is that it also, the base model on the previous version was 64 gigabytes. The base model now is 128 gigabytes, so double the storage in the base model compared to the old model, which is quite nice. So first of all, we'll do the Magic Keyboard. One of the few Apple products that Apple ships that still actually has plastic on the outside, and most of the products do not now. So nice little handy pull tab to open this. That one didn't open all the way, but it's okay. We'll open this up. So on the side there now. So yeah, that's the Magic Keyboard. We went with black. That. Ooh. There we go. All recycled materials. And you may or may not be able to see that there. But Apple going all in with recycled and recycling things here. So go. Pull tabs are very handy for opening products since you don't have to rip it apart like a caveman, which is nice. Alright, so yeah, this is the new Magic Keyboard for this. Very nice. The black is a nice color. And what I really, really like about the Magic Keyboard is that it gives you an additional USB-C port. So you can charge your iPad through this port, and then on the port on the actual iPad, you can connect external drives, any other accessories and stuff like that. So very, very handy. Now with the iPad itself, we have the purple 11-inch M2 iPad Air. Last one I had was the blue, which is more kind of like an aqua kind of color, but with purple this time. And from what I've seen in other videos on this is that it's a very light purple. The previous version, a little bit of a darker purple. This is very much a light purple. And we'll open our handy little pull tabs here for this. Let's check too on the Magic Keyboard. We have paperwork, and notice that it appears as though Apple no longer includes their Apple stickers. A lot of people make a big deal about. I really don't care. I never really use the Apple stickers anyways. So I'll put those away. Now we'll get to the main event with the iPad itself here. There we go. It's interesting with the this wrapping on the side here too. This is actually paper as well. It feels kind of plasticky, but it's actually really, really, really thin paper, which is cool. Biodegradable, so when this gets thrown out, it's not going to be bad for the environment and whatnot. So And there she is. So as you can see, this time it is a very, very light purple, which is, it's actually a really, really nice color. Really, really digging that. And one of my favorite new features of the new iPads is the camera, the front-facing camera, sorry, but moved from up here to here. So anybody who's recorded video or taken FaceTime or Skype or Zoom calls has known that for the longest time, trying to orient your iPad correctly for doing video calls and recording videos on it was kind of a bit of a pain in the butt. But now they moved it to the side here and it makes it a lot easier to keep yourself in frame and for doing videos and that kind of stuff. Very, very cool. And inside the box here, we'll check the paperwork. Actually quite a bit of paraphernalia and whatnot, but still no Apple stickers, which again, not a deal breaker for me. A lot of people like to whine and complain about the lack of Apple stickers. That's nitpicking, best case scenario there. I don't think it's a big deal. And as you can see, we have this I really like to see, because I was wondering if they were going to do it on all the products, because typically with braided cords, they were only doing it on their professional devices. But this is the iPad Air, and we have a braided USB-C to USB-C cord, which is really, really nice. And another really cool thing too is we still get a charging block as well, which is very cool. As most people know, when you buy a new phone, you typically don't get these in that. So it's nice to see with the iPad that you still get a new charging block. I have a lot of these, so I mean, it wouldn't have been a big deal if they did include it, but now it's handy to get. So, and that is it for the box. There in the back, a little bit of information about the device and everything on here. So that about wraps up here. I'm gonna go and set the stamp and start using it. Either this coming week or maybe the following week, we'll even do a little review on this, so you guys know how it is and how it works and all that. So that wraps up here, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time where we talk about how tech matters. HTM Tech is brought to you by Microplay, located at 265 King George Road in Brantford, Ontario, Canada, for all of your video game and collectible needs.